Hello guys, are you ready for another video of mathematics? I hope you are ready because today I'm going to show you how to solve for the pie chart word problem, okay? So this is my tally for Rainbow Roll, the one I watch on weekend. So how many reds, how many violets, how many blues, how many pinks, how many yellows, how many greens are there? Let's find out because we're going to compose another pie chart based on that. Alright? So let's see how we're going to do this, okay? So first, let's calculate how many are there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for the red, we have 6. So 6 na red. And then for the pink, we have 4 pinks. Apat na pinks, ha? And then after that, we have 5 violets. So the violet, we count how many violets are there. We count it like this, diba? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So there are 5 violets there, okay? So you write the number 5 in violet, okay? Then for the color yellow, although you can see it, but there are 4 yellows. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 yellows, okay? And then for the blue, there are 8 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, diba? So 8 na blues. And then how many greens are there? The last is the color green. So how many greens are there? 3. Now when we sum this up all together, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 3 is 22, plus 8 is 30. So therefore there are 30 as the total. Okay? Now we're going to convert this into a sector. So how do we get that into sector? Very easy. All we have to do is divide by the total number of quantity, and then we multiply that by 360 to get the angle of the sector. Very good. So let's start with the color red. So for the color red, we have 6 over 30, diba? So 6 over 30 is the fraction, diba? 6 over 30. Why 6 over 30? Kasi nga the numerator pertains to the quantity of how many are there in that specific category. So there are 6 reds, diba? So 6 divided by 30, diba? Because 30, that's the total. Then we multiply that by 360, diba? Actually, we can divide this first. We can simplify 6 over 30 to 1 over 5. So that will become 1/5 over 360 over 1. And that simplifies to 360 divided by 5. So writing down our equation here, 360 divided by 5 is 7, 35, 10, 72. So therefore, for the 360, the angle is 72 degrees. That is for the color red. Okay? Now, let's draw it in our chart. So this is the pie chart that I'm working on right now, diba? So ito yung pie chart na ginawa ko. And our radius is 8.5. So that's 17. So we need to find, ano yun? Diba, remember we start here, diba? So look at your protractor. Let's find the 72 degrees. So where is our 72 degree mark? Diyan siya, dito. Dito siya nagtatakumbay. So yan, so that's where the 72 degree mark is. Then after that, we connect the dots. So connecting the lines together, just like that, put your ruler here. Make sure that they are aligned with each other. Just like that. Then, we sketch it. We sketch it with the ruler and then we get at the angle of the sector, okay? So therefore, do you think that is 72 degrees? Let's see. Yes, that is 72 degrees. And that is for the color red. So now let's get our red marker and let's highlight that as red, okay? So getting your red colored marker. So diba dito tayo nag-start, diba? So that will be color red. So our red is the 72 degrees. Dito siya. And then here, diba? Never mind, mamaya na yan, okay? So, but that's just a reference point. So that's color red. Okay? That one is the color red, okay? So red talaga hinanap namin dito, okay? So now we were able to get the color red, which is 72 degrees. Next, let's try to get another color. How about let's try to get the color yellow? Diba, remember sa yellow, how many yellows are there? 4, diba? So therefore, the formula still implies the same method. So the formula is still the same. Diba, remember what is the formula? The formula goes like this. Paano yung formula ulit? Watch and learn. Okay? So the formula is 4 over 30, diba? 4 over 30. Diba, remember, 4 is in the numerator because there are 4 yellows. Diba? There are 4 yellows in the numerator. And then in the denominator, there are 30 outcomes. Diba? There are 30 because that's the total number of frequencies. Diba? And then after that, we multiply that by 360. Actually, we can already divide the two zeros here. So therefore, that becomes 4/3 and 36. Diba? So 4/3 and 36, if I were to change that in proper fraction, pwede naman. So therefore, we can now multiply. And then 36 divided by 3, we can simplify that to, this becomes 1, this becomes 12. So therefore, that's 12 times 4. And what's 12 times 4? 48. So therefore, that is the degree of the sector. So for the yellow, we have 48 degrees. To verify if this is true, let's type it in a calculator. But I think for now, I'll not type it in calculator first. Diba, remember, because 4 over 30 times 360, diba? Or what you can do is 4 times 36, diba? 4 times 36 is 144. And 144 divided by 3 is 48. Diba? So yeah, so now that's the right answer. Now, let's sketch it in our map, okay? So diba, remember kanina, we already found the color red, diba? We found already the color red. Now, let's find the color yellow. So diba, remember, it's still here, diba? So remember, we need to find the 48 degree mark. So 48 is right over here. Diba? 48, diba? Dito yung 0. Dito yung 48, diba? So 48 degrees is right here. Then, sketch with the ruler so that you can get the degree. Yan, diba? Now, what I would rather do is I need to remove an excess line. Kasi nga diba, remember, there is a line that is all, nakakaharang. So this is the line that's harang. So I need to remove this, okay? Now, and then after that, I get my yellow marker, then highlight the color there, which is the color yellow. So therefore, the first one is the color red, that one is the color yellow. So now let's get my yellow marker, and now let's highlight the line, okay? This color bright orange too, pero okay lang yun. So yan, that is the color, that is the color orange, okay? Or yellow. So therefore, that is 48 degrees. 48! Say sorry. Okay? So yan, now we already got 72 plus 48. Diba, remember, sabi ko sa'yo, it takes 360 degrees to go around one full circle. Tama? Pero we only have 72 and 48. So ilan pa yung kulang? Let's simplify what we have so far. So, di ba, remember, ito yun, di ba? So, di ba, remember, we have 72, 48. This becomes 10. Then, 7 plus 4, 11, 120. So, we have 120. So, therefore, 240 na lang. Before that, let's check this one first to see if we get 120 degrees. Did we get 120? Yes, we got 120. Exact. Now, let's move on to another color. How about let's try the color green? Diba? The green. Diba? Remember sa green, we got 3. Diba? So, the formula is still the same. Again, what's the formula? Ganito siya. 3 over 30 times 360 divided by 1. 3 over 30 can be simplified to 1 over 10. So, 1 over 10 times 360 divided by 1. Take note that 360 can divide into 10. So, therefore, the answer is simply just 36. To make things type easier, cross out the zeros, remove the 3's, and you get 36. So, sakto lamang, just plain old 36. Now, let's go back to our chart. Let's go back to our chart and find the 36 degree mark. Okay? So, where is 36 degrees? Dito siya, di ba? First, we align it like this. And then, find 36. This is 35, this is 36. So, tama, dito na matatakbuhan ang 36 degrees. Now, connect the dots. Yan, it should look something like this. Very good. Okay? Now, we were able to have 36 degrees. Now, let's double check with the, let's double check with the criteria. And yeah, that is correct. So now we already have 36 degrees. So now let's get our green marker. And then let's highlight the color green. Okay? So let's highlight this area. Okay? So we got 36 degrees for the green. Yan. Diba? So now we already have 3 colors down. So ilan pa yung kulang? Dalawa na lang. So we still have color blue, color violet, and color pink. Alright? So maybe let's try the pink first. Okay? So let's write. We have, this is, what's the number? 36, diba? So 120 plus 36 equals, let's add this together. 120 plus 36 equals 156. Now checking with our protractor, let's see if we get 156 already. Diba dito tayo nagsimula, diba? Sa base 0. So did we get 156 degrees? Yes, very good. Now let's go to another color. So the next one is color blue na lang. So now let's go to the color blue. Diba, remember sa color blue, there are 8. Diba? So 8 blues. So how do we do the formula? Again, it's still the same criteria. Naalala mo talaga yung formula? Ganito siya. Diba, remember in your paper, you write 8 over 30. Bakit 8 over 30? Ano yung nasa numerator? The quantity of that specific category. There are 8 blues. And then what's in the denominator? The total number of outcomes. Diba? So there are 30 outcomes. So 8 over 30. Then times 360 over 1. Diba? Now we can simplify the 2 zeros. The 2 zeros will cancel out. And therefore, you will just have 8 thirds times 36. And 8 thirds cannot be simplified. However, 3 and 36 can still be simplified. So you can cross out 36 and 3, diba? So 36 divided by 3. And what 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 36 divided by 3 is 12. Diba? Now after that, we have 12 times 8. So what's 12 times 8? 96. So our answer is 96. Now let's see if this is true. Diba, remember 8 over 30 times 360 over 1. Diba? So diba, remember if you were to simplify to lowest terms, the 8 over 30 can just be simplified to 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 over 15 times 360 over 1. And then diba, remember 360 times 4, that's 36 times 4, and that becomes 24. 4 times 3, 140, diba? Then this number divided by 15, diba, remember that becomes, ano to? 8, diba? 120. So, I mean 9. 135, diba? 9. Tama, 96. So therefore, for the blue, we need to get 96 degrees. So now going back now to your pie chart, let's draw the 96 degree mark. So 96 degree mark should be somewhere here. Follow the line carefully. Yan. Nasa natatabon ang 96? Dito. Now, we draw the line and sketch it out. So, it will turn out to be like this, diba? So, where's our 96 degrees? Dito. So, now let's stretch it out. And, yun nga, let's color this blue. So, therefore, that's where 96 degrees is located. Let's see. Yes! Parang siyang halatang malabo na siya maging right angle, no? Pero in fact, in reality, it's not a right angle. That's an obtuse angle. Pero I think I kind of noticed something. Do you? Do you notice anything? Parang siyang, it's like a straight angle, no? Kasi po, diba, 48 plus 36 plus 96, that is like a straight angle already. So now let's compute. Diba, remember, a straight angle is 180 degrees. So we have 48 plus 36, and that becomes 1484. Then 84 plus 96, 10, 1 plus 8 is 9, 180. So tama, that is a straight angle talaga. Yun talagang straight angle. Tama, if you look back here, yun nga, we just made a straight angle. Especially if you are to measure it with your ruler, we did form a straight angle. Okay? Now we're down to the last color. So now let's try the color violet. Diba remember sa color violet, we have 5 out of, okay, let's recap what we have so far. So, diba remember we have 156. Diba remember that's the color red, yellow, green, and that, remember we get 156. Then 156 plus 96. So 156 plus 96 equals 12. This becomes 16. 252. So 252. So how many more na lang? Ano yung kulang? 360 minus 252. And that's 108. Diba? Why? Kasi nga diba remember, 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So we still lack 108 degrees. So now let's go to the color violet. So for the color violet, we have 5. 5 na violet. So again, the formula is still the same. Do you still remember the formula? Yes, the formula goes like this. 5 over 30 times 360 over 1. Take note, the 5 over 30 can be simplified to 1 over 6. Because, diba, remember, 5 divided by 5 is 1. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Whatever number you divide from your numerator must also be the same in the denominator. So, therefore, that's 1 over 6. And 1 over 6, diba, remember, that's multiplied now by 360. Or you can simply just say 360 divided by 6, which is simply 60 degrees. Tama! So, therefore, now we have to type 60 degrees in our chart. So now let's look for the 60 degree mark, okay? So now let's sketch in. So going back to here again. So let's find the 60 degrees, diba? Nasaan ang 60 degrees dito? Yes, dito. So 120 degrees. Dito matatagpuan ang 60 degrees. Now, we highlight that with the line. Diba? So we draw the line and ensure that we get the 160 degrees, diba? The 60 degrees. Yan, di ba? Now we can already erase this. So therefore, this is, what's the value of this? This is 96. This is 60. Now let's see if we get this right. Is this truly 60 degrees? Yes. And remember for the last one, di ba remember we got 108. So 108 minus 60. So the last angle must measure 48 degrees. Which is the same as what we get for color yellow. Because, di ba remember, we have 4 for yellow. So, therefore, minus 60 to give us 48, di ba? Now, let's see if we get 48 for the last one pa rin. Di ba remember, 4 out of 30, di ba? 10 times 360. Actually, this one, you can make that 1,440. Then, divide by 30. Cross out the 0, so you have 144 divided by 3. This one becomes 4, 12, 24, 8. So, tama, you still get the number 48. Now let's check with the with the last angle. Do you think the last angle we still get 48 degrees? Let's see. Checking with our protractor. Moment of truth. So let it stay here. And for the moment you've been waiting for. Yay! We did it! We found the color pink, and that is already there. So now, we have already composed our pie chart. There we have it, guys. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, in our next video, we are going to solve for the circumference and area of this circle. Bye!